Okay, so we just got back from a crack in the ground. It's about 7 miles up there. The first 2 miles going up was really nice gravel, and then the next 2 miles was horrible washboard, and then the next 3 miles was pretty good. And it took us about 25 minutes to get up there. Yeah, so be prepared. It was about 80 degrees out. It was pretty nice. All right, we're at the lower end of crack in the ground. Heading out, crack in the ground. About, I don't know, 75 degrees out. Okay, just for reference, this is the United States, of course, and this is the state of Oregon. And right where you see that yellow push pin is about Central Oregon, and that's where we were at crack in the ground. And I'll see if I can get a closer shot here for you. This is where we parked our vehicle right here in this parking lot right here. And then we ended up walking down this trail here to the start of crack in the ground. And that trail was approximately about 300 or 400 yards is all, not very much. So then once we got to the crack in the ground, we hiked about a mile down this way, and then we ran out of time and we had to go back to the car and go elsewhere. But it went for another half a mile or so. And then up here, it went for another half a mile this way. So the total length, supposedly, of crack in the ground is about 2 miles long. Okay, I'm going to head down this crack. Looks pretty interesting. Hopefully it'll get cooler down here. I don't know. Holy macaroni. Nice and cool down there. Let me go down there and check it out.
Get this water bottle off my hands.
All right, throw it to me.
I'll just
throw it to me. All right. All right, so we're gonna head that way now, over that little mound. It's all right, here we go. Okay, this is gonna be interesting here. Okay. Oh boy, we get to climb over those pillars there. Okay. Okay, here we are, cracking around. We're taking a little break here. Well, we just came through that. Pretty bright up there. Okay, we're gonna head down this way now. Oh, it opens up bigger here. This looks like it goes to the top more. And this looks like it goes to the bottom more. Let's stay low, okay? Let's go low. Well, this is rather narrow. Uh-oh. Do we really want to crawl through there? Oh, that's the other way it goes around. All right, I'm going to shut this off while we crawl through here. Okay, so I gotta crawl through this little space here. So here we go. You ready? All right, let's go through here. We got to get down on our hands and knees. I don't know if I can do this or not. Shucks, it's pretty nasty in here. Okay. I'm crawling through. I'm coming through. I'm coming through. Okay, down low. Oh, but are you already there?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Still, I didn't even need to crawl through here then. Shucks. Oh, man. Sheesh, that was dumb. Okay, it looks like, okay, let's go. Oh, yeah? All right, let's head to this little crack. Oh, I see. Drops down here to a wide open space. This is my, oh, wow, there's a rabbit. Just saw a rabbit. Okay. So you didn't have to crawl through that little space if you didn't want to. The rock is kind of slippery, Samantha. So watch yourself. All right. All right, good. Okay.
One hole.
Don't want to be calling 911.
I think I hit my head.
Yeah, we won't.
Oh, it hit my elbow though.
Okay. And from Christmas Valley, we got off the pavement and we had to travel 7 miles up to a crack in the ground. The first 2 miles was a good road, and the second 2 miles was really washboardy and really rough. And the next 3 miles was up this kind of a hillside, kind of powdery stuff. We were 15 mile an hour, 10 mile an hour, but not too bad, but it got the car real dirty. And then we stopped at the parking lot at Crack in the Ground. I dropped down the hole here, up top, and it is super cool down here. You up there?
Yep.
You gonna walk along the side?
I'm actually taking a break in between.
All right. All right. I'm looking at this corner here. It looks like it might be a dead end. I don't know. Let me look. It's really super cool down here, though. I mean, temperature-wise. Oh no, you got to come down here. You're not going to come down? All right, well, I'm going to walk it. It's really a cool area. Nice and cool down here, though. Yeah, I'm going to just keep walking it till I can't walk no more. Uh-oh. Looks like a massive wall there. Dude, how am I going to get up that? I think I can though. Just looks like a wall. Man, that looks like a wall, dude. Look at that. Look at that wall. And that's where I just came from. Right there. And that's what it looks like up there quite a ways. Yeah, so, all right. I'm going to tackle this wall here. It looks pretty, I need two hands, so adios. Okay, so I climbed that wall. That's quite a wall. Look down there, I don't know if you can see down there, but let me look. Yeah, quite a ways. And I got to contend with this little bit here. Looks like it might dead end here, I don't know. We'll see. All right, here we go. Okay, so if I want to get out of here, I have to go back. If I want to get out of here, I have to go back to where I came or climb that rock wall right there. That's pretty steep. I don't know. That first step looks like a doozy. Let's go over there and check it out. Nope. I'm not tall enough to get up there. I don't think I don't have the strength to boost myself up on this rock here. If I did, I could get out of here. But I'm going to have to go back. I really don't want to. Even with one hand. All right. That was a dead end. Okay, we ran into that dead wall down there. And now we are going to walk around it and hopefully drop down into the crack again. So, okay, we found the bigger crack here after the dead end, hopefully.
It drops in again.
Okay, there's the crack right there. There's a little crack. Let's see. Okay, here's the crack. Just looks like the same crack. I hear some people down there. And then over here, got a crack. A bit of a crack down there. You can walk through all that stuff if you want. Okay, so this trail I'm on walks directly along the crack in the ground, and I'm only about I don't know, 10 feet from the crack in the ground. I hear some people down there. Let's see if we can find them.
Or down that, whichever will give us the benefit. That we're holding. Well, down, I want to get the canyon.
Okay, so we're still walking towards the car. About an 8-minute walk. Saw a lot of people, and it's about 88 degrees out right now. Don't feel like it though. Feels more like 70, 75. And when we started out this morning, about 10 o'clock, there was just us, and then the car pulled up just as we were heading out. Now there appears to be 4 or 5 cars over there. Okay, getting close to the car there. There's some people getting ready to head out themselves. It's the kiosk. Hey, you got enough water there? Yeah. Okay, there you have it. There you have it, crack in the ground.